Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Writesonic. Writesonic is an AI-powered writing tool found at Writesonic.com. It offers a variety of features designed to assist with various writing tasks, from crafting compelling marketing copy and generating blog post ideas to creating full articles and translating text. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs to produce written material efficiently. The platform leverages artificial intelligence to generate unique and high-quality content, aiming to save users time and effort. Whether you need help overcoming writer's block or simply want to streamline your content creation process, Writesonic provides a range of options to explore. The platform's functionalities extend beyond simple text generation. It also offers tools for paraphrasing, summarizing, and even creating different versions of existing content. This makes it a comprehensive solution for various writing needs, from crafting short-form content like social media captions to longer, more complex pieces like blog posts and articles. For those looking to enhance their writing, Writesonic provides a valuable suite of AI-driven tools to help create compelling and effective content. It's a platform worth exploring for anyone looking to boost their productivity and improve the quality of their written work. The site is easy to navigate and user-friendly, even for those unfamiliar with AI writing tools. With its comprehensive set of features and focus on user experience, Writesonic is a strong contender in the AI writing space, offering a potentially valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their writing workflow. It empowers users to generate creative and engaging content with the help of AI, streamlining the writing process from initial idea to finished product. Be sure to check out Writesonic.com to explore its full capabilities and see how it can enhance your writing endeavors.